Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting and selecting the image. Click Insert Right Arrow Pictures and choose your file. Once selected, you'll see Sizing Handles and the Picture Format tab appear. Click it to access crop, size, and position tools. You should also lock aspect ratio early. This prevents distortion when resizing. If you plan to move the image over cells, set Wrap to in front of text or tight so movement is smooth. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits. You can revert to the original if needed. Next, focus on precise framing and dimensions. Use crop to trim edges or crop to shape for masks. Drag inside the crop box to reposition the focal area. Resize by dragging corner handles while holding nothing if aspect ratio is locked, otherwise hold Shift to constrain. For exact sizing, open Size and Properties and type width/height values. This is useful for column fit. Rotate with the Rotate handle or enter an angle. Once done, check alignment against cell grid and nudge with arrow keys for pixel-like control. Finally, apply corrections and finalize placement. Use corrections and color to fix brightness, contrast, and color cast, and adjust transparency for overlays. Once satisfied, compress pictures to lower file size, select quality and apply to this picture or all. Now set properties. Choose Move and Size with cells or don't move or size with cells, depending on whether you want the image to follow edits. If things go wrong, immediately undo. If edits won't revert, reinsert the original image to recover a clean copy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.